Okay, so here is the start of batch number 2. I have another 6-pack and then 2 individual ones. So this is the first one of the set of the third 6-pack. And if I don't get a Hawkeye, I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, here's a good sign. We have Moon Knight, and this Moon Knight, you know, this is new for me. So thankfully there's that. All right, let's put little Mark Spector together. Trying to do this without my hand getting in the way of it like it was last time. Boom, boom. Got a little coin. Got his little knot batarangs. Stand on the base. And Moon Knight. Okay. Another one coming out. Come on, all brand new ones. Oh, you know what? I think we may have hit the jackpot on this. I think the 6-packs are just preset. So I got very bad luck with the first 6-pack, but good luck on the third one. Because we got Mr. Knight. Is that supposed to be at the bottom or the top? Wait, no. There we go. We got the little fish tank. I don't remember the name of the fish. I don't think the name of the fish really matters, to be honest. And then, yeah, here, hold your fish tank, Mark. Okay, third one from box 3. We got Jennifer, we got She-Hulk. All right, come on out. All right. I mean, she's an easy one to put together. Let's see, we got the smiling face. Got the, yeah, let's go for that face for Jen. Where'd her hair go? There's her hair. Great. And then there's her cell phone. And her cell phone just flew off camera. Here we go. Who is that? Wong. Okay. And then she also has the Abomination file. Okay, are they going to make me wait until I get to the very last one to give me a Clint? Yep. Yes, they are. They absolutely are. Okay. And who is this? Ah, awful, awful, awful. Doesn't even say her name. Oh, that's got to be Echo. I'm dumb. Okay. The heck is she holding? She has a stick. For some reason. Boom. Okay, so does this mean this is going to be Clint or Kate? Clint or Kate? It's Kate. They really are going to make me get to the bottom of the box and hope that the packaging didn't get screwed up for me to get Clint. I mean, it's the most Hawkeye shit ever for that to happen, so I'm okay with it. So we got Kate all bandaged up. Got the base for her to stand on. Got Pizza Dog, who does not stand on the base. Come on. Has a pizza box, though. So Lucky and Kate. All right, and then hopefully the last one, which then means I have 2 extra boxes to gift to somebody. Yes, yep, I was right. The boxes are predetermined, and I just got very unlucky with my second box being a bunch of repeats, but yes, we got Clint. So he gets to go on his own special Hawkeye shelf because that's what I do. I have a Hawkeye shelf. I have multiple Hawkeye shelves, let's be totally honest. So Clint comes with bow and arrow and quiver as his head falls off, and I almost break him, because why would anything else go smooth in this entire unboxing? Pick up your fucking boat, Clint. Okay, well, you know, if it doesn't want to go easy, why would it? Okay, there we go. Take your bow, get your hair, and then also you have an owl. There we go. Clint with his arrow, a bow and arrow, and the owl that ate the tracksuit mafia guys. That's the final of the Lego set.